It's a great day for a drive in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma in gray with cloth seats inside, seating for 4. And this has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and the box is about 5 feet long, and you've got that nice canopy. It's got a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You have tailgate assist, meaning it goes down easily for you. Also have a reverse camera and navigation, as well as heated seats and Bluetooth. If you'd like to take this truck out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You've got these nice all-weather mats on the floor, and you've got your electrical AC adapter. As well, there's a little bin on the face of the steering wheel. We have our volume and the mode, as well as hands-free dialing, and you have your dash controls. Cruise controls are located there. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, and this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages will appear and your odometer reading. In the center, you see that you have the CD player up top there, and an audio AM FM Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Your volume and tuner are located here. You can press on the home screen, it'll bring you down to the other options as well. You're seeing the map here, and you can touch on that and it'll ask you the destination and so forth. You can do that. And I'm just going to take us back home, and then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back here, the red line telling you you're getting too close, and that would be when you're approaching other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. You also have heated seats for both driver and passenger. There's your hazard lights, and there's your 4x4 temperature control. There's 2 there for driver and passenger. Heated side view mirrors, front defrost AC, and then down below you've got your electric power. You can press on and off. You have your USB and auxiliary line and your 12 volt. There's a little bin, couple of cup holders. This just pops up and out of the way if you have a bigger beverage in there. Automatic shifter, emergency parking brake. You've got your cup holder, and your armrest opens up. There's lots of room in there. Locking glove compartment. You've got a grab handle in the body, and as well an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your garage door opener. As well, you've got the MTS, which is just showing on your dash there, shift to 4. And then you've got your crawl as well, and they're saying crawl's not available because I'm right now parked. And then your locking differential, your traction control, and your dome lighting, up there, and your lights right here. And then you're all set to go. Inch wheels, running boards, body color door handle, driver's side fuel cap. You've got a rack up top, and you've got high mount lighting. As well, you've got a canopy that'll open independently of the box, and you also have your backup camera. As well, you have 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and you've got this nice little step in the back. And then when you want to open it up, you can open up the canopy. I've already unlocked it by turning the handles, and then just pull, and you'll see it's got an assist to bring it down easily for you. There's tie downs, and it's nicely aligned. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Just wanted to show you as well, you've got these little bins off to the side. There's another one over there, and you also have an outlet back here, which is quite handy. With your canopy top is linked with these connectors, and then in the back you're seeing the sliding window. And speaker in the door. There's seating for 2 back here with a 50-50 split. You simply pull the lever and lift the seat right up, and then you have this area underneath for storage and your jack. And then to bring it down, pull the tab again, and down it'll come. You've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, you've got a nice little spot to put the seat belts as well as a bin. There's a couple of cup holders, all-weather mat on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. Up top, you've got your dome lighting, hooks in the back, and you have a sliding window. Chrome bumper, canopy, roof rack, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.